Hello friends, welcome to our channel Mathematics by Fun Art. Today let us see the sixth question of exercise 10.2. The length of a tangent from point A at a distance 5 cm from the center of the circle is 4 cm. Find the radius of the circle. Let us draw the diagram. A circle with center O, point A at a distance of 5 cm from center of the circle, and that is a tangent. Let's draw a tangent and the point of contact BB, and let us draw the perpendicular, that is our radius. They have given that OA is 5 cm and the tangent's length AB tangent is 4 cm, and we have to find the radius. By Pythagoras theorem, we know that OA square is equal to OB square plus AB square. That is, hypotenuse square is equal to side square plus base square. Substituting their values, 5 square is equal to OB square plus 4 square, which gives us 25 is equal to OB square plus 16. 25 minus 16 is equal to OB square. 9 is equal to OB square. Taking square root, we get 3 is equal to OB. Therefore, the radius of the circle is 3 cm. Thank you. Happy learning.